Okay, we're doing the cat toy review this evening. Here is the tri-level interactive 3-story cat ball tower. On the top of the tower, the company has added a hard plastic piece so that the cat can't get his head stuck. There have been some bad reviews on Amazon due to people having their cats put their heads down in here and get their heads stuck. The company has taken it amongst themselves to fix the problem. This is a very handy gadget. This is a win. This is a win for Baby Chan. He enjoys it. He's happy. In addition, I got him the Imperial Cat Scratcher. This thing is huge. It was like Christmas in September for Baby Chan. This is an Imperial Cat, made in the USA, very simple cat scratcher, and it includes the organic catnip. This is a huge size, and it is absolutely a wonderful product. It fits Baby Chan beautifully, quite large enough for him. He's very happy. Are you happy? So it was definitely a good day for Baby Chan. Hope this helps.